Good afternoon, students. For your math class, today we will do composite math chapter 10. Chapter 10 Time. Chapter 10 Time. First we will do page number 90. First we will do page number 90. Fill up the blanks. Exercise 10. C. Fill up the blanks. Number 1. The day before Friday is Thursday. The day before Friday is Thursday. Number 2. The day after Monday is Tuesday. The day after Monday is Tuesday. Next, Thursday spelling Thursday. 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 And Tuesday spelling Tuesday. 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 Number 3. Dash come in between Wednesday and Friday. So our answer is Thursday. Thursday come in between Wednesday and Friday. Thursday spelling Thursday. Thursday. Next, number 4. 2 days before Friday are 2 days before Friday are Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday spelling Wednesday. Wednesday. And Thursday spelling Thursday. Thursday. Next, number 5. Dash is the only day that begins with W. Our answer is Wednesday. Our answer is Wednesday. 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 Okay. Next, answer the following question. Next, answer the following question. Which is the day that you do not go to school? Which is the day that you do not go to school? Our answer is Sunday. Our answer is Sunday. Next, number 2. How many months have 31 days? How many months have 31 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 months have 31 days. And name them. The name of January, 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 January. March, 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 March. Next, May, 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 May. Next, July, 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 July. Next, August, August. Next, August, August. Next, October, 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 October. And December, 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 December. Number 3. How many Saturdays are there in the month of February? How many Saturdays are there in the month of February? 4 Saturdays are there in the month of February. 4 Saturdays are there in the month of February. Next, number 4. Here I have printing mistake. It is not, it is which. Which day is Republic Day? Which day is Republic Day? 26 January is Republic Day. 26 January is Republic Day. Okay? Next, multiple choice question. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Number 1. When minute hand has traveled around dash the clock, you say it is half past the hour. 15 minutes, half or 45 minutes. Our answer is half. Next, when the minute hand has traveled 45 minutes past the hour, you say dash to the next hour. Our answer is quarter. Our answer is quarter. So we will take in number B. Number 3. There are dash days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. We will take number A. Number 4. There are dash hour in a day. There are dash hour in a day. 26, 24 or 22. We will take number B. There are 24 hours in a day. Next, number 5. How many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? We will know. The answer is 12. So we will take number A, 12. Now it is clear for you. Again I repeat this chapter. Write the time shown in the clock in two ways. One has been done for you. Number 1 has already done here. We will do number 2. Here the time is 4 o'clock or 4. Here the time is number B. The time is 4 o'clock because the long hand is at 12 and short hand is at 4 and short hand is at 4. So the time is 4 o'clock. So the time is 4 o'clock. Next, number C. Here the long hand is 12 and the short hand is at 7. The long hand is at 12 and the short hand is at 7. So the time is 7 o'clock or 7. Next, the long hand is at 12 and the short hand is at 2. So the time is 2 o'clock or 2. Next, draw the hands on the given clock to show the time. Here the time is 9 o'clock. Here the time is 9 o'clock. Next. Here the time is 6 o'clock because the long hand is at 12 and the short hand is at 6. So the time is 6 o'clock. Again, the long hand is 12 is at 12 and the short hand is at 4. So the time is 4 o'clock. Next, number D. Here the long hand is at 12 and short hand is 2. So the time is 2 o'clock. Okay. All of you listen carefully this page. We know that in 1 hour the minute hand moves around the clock face once. In half an hour the minute hand moves around only half of the clock face. When 1 hour is divided into 2, we get each part to be half an hour, as 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes and half an hour is obtained by dividing 60 into 2 equal parts. So we can see 30 plus 30 we get 60. Next, so half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Okay. When the minute hand starts from 12, it takes 30 minutes to come to 6 and it moves across half of the clock face. In this clock, the hour hand is halfway between 4 and 5. The minute hand is at 6. The time is 4:30. You also say that it is the 30 minute after 4 or half past 4. Okay? I hope all of you understood. Next, in the chapter of fraction, we learn that we get a quarter by dividing a whole into 4 equal parts. Now in again dividing an hour into 4 equal parts, if we divided 60 minutes into 4 equal, we get 4 quarters of 15 minutes each. So, quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. In a quarter of an hour, the minute hand moves around only a quarter of the face of the clock. Quarter past. When it is 15 minutes past the hour, we say it is quarter past of an hour. Quarter past equals to 15 minutes. And when it is 45 minutes past the hour, we say it is quarter to the next hour. So quarter to is equal to 45 minutes. Quarter past is equal to 15 minutes and quarter to is equal to 45 minutes. For example, in the given clock, the hour hand is just a little of 8 and the minute hand is at 3. Therefore, the time is 8:15. There the time is 8:15. For example, in the given clock, the hour hand is between 10 and 11 but slightly closer to 11. Therefore, the time is 10 hour and 45 minutes or 10:45 or quarter to 10. Okay. So, we will do exercise. Here have 8:30 or 8:30. Here the time is 8:30 or 8:30. Okay. Next, here the time is 1:30 or 1:30. Here the time is 1:30 or 1:30. Next, here the time is 1:45 or 2:45. Here the time is 1:45 or 2:45. Next, it is quarter past 8 or 8:15. Quarter past 8 or 8:15. Okay. Next, it is the time of quarter past 10 or 10:15. Quarter past 10 or 10:15. Next, number F. If answer is quarter to 4 or 4:45. Quarter to 4 or 4:45. Number G answer is quarter to 7 or 7:45. Quarter to 7 or 7:45. Number H 10:30 or 10:30. 10:30 or 10:30. Draw the two hands on the clock and show the given time. Here the time is quarter past 11 or 11:15. Quarter past 11 or 11:15. Here the time is 7:30 or 7:30. 7:30 or 7:30. Here the time is 4:30 or 4:30. 4:30 or 4:30. Next, number D, quarter past 5 or 5:15. Quarter past 5 or 5:15. Next, number E. Here the time is quarter to 8 or 8:45. 8:45. Number F. Quarter to 2 or 2:45. Quarter to 2 or 2:45. Here the time is number G, quarter to 7 or 7:45. Quarter to 7 or 7:45. Okay. Number 8, 3:30 or 3:30. 3:30 or 3:30. In previous class, we have already done this chapter. All of you know this days, month of year. How many days in a week? 7 days in a week. And the name of that 7 days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. 1 year has 365 days and 52 weeks. And how many months in a year? 12 months. And the name of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January is the first month and December is the last month of a year. Okay? And number 10C or multiple choice we have already done. So I will finish my class here. Okay, bye children. Have a nice day.